Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you're all doing well and you and yours are well, enjoying good food together, making good food together, cooking good food together, and eating it together. Well, working together in the kitchen, making something new is a very enjoyable experience. Try that. You will be making it with me as well, and you will be making it with one of your family members as well, and you will enjoy a lot. Well, that's my personal experience. That's why I'm sharing it with you and telling you to do it, because that is really enjoyable. You really enjoy a lot. Those becomes very sweet, nice memories afterwards. Anyways, today I brought you the recipe of mutton with cauliflower and potatoes. Some people like mutton a lot, some people like potatoes a lot, and some people like cauliflower a lot. Well, this combination that I brought you today, you're all going to like. Even those who don't like cauliflower a lot will like cauliflower this way. And of course, everything should be eaten, and I believe so. It's not necessary that we like all the veggies or everything, all the pulses or anything in only one recipe. We can like it in some other way, and we should try it because everything should be eaten. It's full of minerals and vitamins for us. It's something that we have been endowed with, and we should take full advantage of it. Well, all those who are not our family members, maybe they don't yet know that we offer organic recipes, organic cooking, pure food, and you must become our family members quickly by subscribing to the channel. We welcome you all, and you will be embarking on a journey of good health and of course good professional health as well, because we also offer free online HRD workshops. Well, newer topics will be coming. 2 workshops, complete workshops, have already been uploaded in parts on the channel. So just before we start cooking mutton with cauliflower and potatoes, quickly click the subscribe button. Become our family members. These are the ingredients that we are going to need. Well, what are they? I have mutton with me. I have steamed it. Okay, it's ready. It's steamed mutton with me. So you also steam your mutton beforehand. Okay, then I have cauliflower with me. This is 1 kg of cauliflower, and I have garlic cloves with me. 6-7 garlic cloves will do, and we're going to crush them also later on. Then I have some potatoes with me. You can see the quantity of the potatoes, or you can add to them or you can minimize them according to your taste and according to your wish. I have some green chilies here. Again, green chilies according to your taste, and some tomatoes here. And with tomatoes I have some spices also, and among spices, salt and red chili powder you're going to use according to your taste. Okay, besides that, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of dried coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of black seeds, half a teaspoon of carom seeds, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of black cumin. Okay, and besides that, I have some fresh green coriander, chopped and washed with me in the small bowl you can see there. So these are all the ingredients that we will be using, simple ingredients in this recipe. See, I have just shown you. I have diced my potatoes, peeled them and diced them into small pieces here. I have crushed my tomatoes in the hand crusher. You already know that my tomatoes are frozen. I peel them by putting them into warm water, and then I crush them with the help of a hand crusher, and then I use them in my recipes. So that is there. These things are there. Then I have also crushed my garlic, and the crushed garlic has gone into my wok in 1 cup of oil, okay, on low heat. And to that garlic I add my potatoes and my mutton as well, okay, because we are going to brown all these things, 3 things together in oil now, okay. Brown them a little. Of course, we're not supposed to burn them, but we will be stirring them and browning them a little. See, they're looking so beautiful, mutton and potatoes together. Of course, the garlic is also there, the oil is also there, but that's not very much visible. And I've covered it, put the lid on medium heat. I will keep taking the lid off and keep stirring these things because I don't want them to get burned. And give them a little time. The potatoes will become half done, 50% soft, and then we'll go to the next step. While the potatoes and the meat will be getting browned, what we will do is we will cut our cauliflower. I have cut my cauliflower and I have soaked in water. Okay, it's completely dipped in water, soaked in water now, as you can see. And when I took the lid off, this is how the shape of the potatoes is, and the mutton is browned. The potatoes are almost browned, but at this point they are not completely raw, they are 50% done. And at this stage you are going to add the crushed tomatoes to this. And you can see I've added crushed tomatoes to my wok and ingredients. You're also going to do the same. With the tomatoes, also add in all your spices. And see, the colors are looking so beautiful. They will look so beautiful while you are cooking as well. Mix all these things up, make them look beautiful. And then you're also going to add the cauliflower and mix it up. And then cover the lid, add in a bit of water also, okay, add in a little water and put the lid on, and then let it cook for a good 10 to 15 minutes on low heat, okay. And if not 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, till you think your cauliflower is also done and your potatoes are also done. You will have to taste them then to check. And of course, you're also going to taste the spices and adjust them according to your taste. And after those 15-20 minutes, I thought my cauliflower was ready, my potatoes were done, and mutton was already tenderized and browned, so my recipe was ready. So I've dished it out in my bowl, and here it is for you to grow your appetite. Well, serve it with either boiled rice or with roti or chapati or pita bread or simple naan or simple bread, with anything, and it tastes delicious. I hope you will like it. Cook it for yourself, cook it for your family, your friends, your relatives, your guests in the hotel. The recipe can work anywhere for any age group, okay. And if you want to make it a bit more spicy, you can take mint chutney with it also, or yogurt mint chutney with it. The recipe is there on the channel. You can find it out if you want to, and you can make that with this as a taste addition. And I hope all of you will like it a lot. Do comment in the comment section how you liked it. Do like and share the recipe. And all those who are not yet our family members on this YouTube channel, please become our family members by joining and subscribing to the channel. Do click the subscribe button. Do take care of yourselves. Do take care of your loved ones. Do make them happy and thus become happy yourselves. And do remember me in your prayers, please.